We would like to welcome you to the Asia Pacific Climate Week 2023 site event.
One particular important in managing peatland ecosystem is by using, we call it landscape-based or peatland hydrological unit.
We would like to see what we have developed, so you can just we make exchange on the view, on the experience that we have. Maybe you learn from something that we have bad before, but now we try to do our best.
The Peatland forest fire occurred in Sungai Paning in 2013 and resulting in environmental and social problems such as environmental damage, health problem.
Their main responsibilities include mobilizing action to accelerate climate action at the global level. They engage with a wide range of stakeholders, such as the